And so let's just take that idea of realization into a time of stillness, a time of prayer, a time of consciously connecting with that light, that love that we are. And so right here in this moment, we consciously turn away from the world around us, making a choice, even if it is just for now, to set aside worries, distractions, little excitements for the things that we get to do. We gently set those aside, and right here in this space, focus on the realization of the light that we are. Focusing instead on that divine nature that is a part of us, that we feel a connection with. And so as we focus on that divine nature, in this moment we open ourselves up for a greater understanding, for a deeper realization, for a greater awareness of the way that light shines in us. And so we listen. We listen intently to the voice of Spirit as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel the sound drawing us back to this time and this place. But we carry with us the knowledge that this light, this divine nature continues to support us throughout this day, throughout this week, throughout this month. We are open and receptive in this moment to the guidance we have received, to the guidance we continue to receive. And so it is with this new realization that we allow gratitude to fill our hearts and our minds as we boldly step into the rest of this experience this day. And it is with that grateful heart that we say, "Thank you, Spirit." And so it is. Amen.